Hi, today I'm going to be showing you some AliExpress promo codes. Now, all you have to do is to click on the link I'm going to show on the screen right now. And once you click on that link, you will be able to go to a similar page like I'm do here, right? And on this page, you can see there's a lot of discounts that you can claim. Like this is one is 64% off, 65% off. There's a lot of discounts here as well. In this one, even you save $83. And it's not just that. There's a lot more here in the carousel here that you can browse through. This one you save $71. This one is $91. And the more you scroll down, the more discount you'll see here, right? 52%, 85%, 56%, 51%. You can save this much, and there's a lot you can save, right? There's a lot here, like this cool lamp, this cute thing, this shirt, this Roomba. A lot of you can save, and just by clicking on the link I'm showing on the screen right now. So, if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.